Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning location services on and off on your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of the watch screen to open the Apps menu. In the Apps menu, tap on the Settings cog. Scroll down the settings and tap on Location. You can now tap the toggle to switch location services on and off. If you scroll down, you can also turn the toggle on to improve the location accuracy. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.